Friends, today we are going to solve illustration number 24, which is available on the page number 97. And the data is available over there. A transport company wants to know the relation between driving experience and the number of accidents by the drivers. The sum of squares of difference in the ranks given to driving experience and the number of accidents by 8 drivers is found to be 126. Find the rank correlation coefficient. My dear friends, they have given information about 8 drivers. So first of all, we have to write the information, that is n is equals to 8. Then they have given sum of square of ranks, and the difference is there. Sum of square of differences between the ranks is available, that is called sum of d square, and sum of d square is available 126. With these two data we have to find out correlation coefficient. So we have a very easy formula, that is r is equal to 1 minus 6 sum of d square divided by n into bracket of n square minus 1. So 1 minus 6 into 126 divided by 8, 8 square is 64 minus 1. So 1 minus, my dear friend, 6 into 126, which is available here, 756 divided by 504. So 1 minus 756 divided by 504, it is 1.5, and the difference between them is minus 0.5. So it is our answer. And all we know is that the range, it always lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Our answer is minus 0.5. Friends, now we move illustration 25. Read the data over there. 10 students selected from various schools of a district were ranked on the basis of their proficiency in sports and general knowledge. The rank correlation coefficient obtained from the data was found to be 0.2. My dear friends, they have given the information about 10 students. So n is equal to 10 is available, and they have also given the correlation coefficient, that is r. So r is equal to 0.2 is available. Now continue with the question. Later on, it was noticed that the difference in the ranks of the two attributes for one of the students was taken as 3 instead of 2. Find the correct value of rank correlation coefficient. My dear friends, here they have done mistakes. एक डिफरेंस कितना लिखा है इन लोगों ने कि टेकन एज 3 इंस्टेड ऑफ 2, जो एक्चुअली में 2 आ रहा था वो 3 नोट डाउन हो गया, मतलब 3 रॉन्ग है और 2 राइट है. दैट मींस व्हाट वी हैव डन अ मिस्टेक टू फाइंड आउट सम ऑफ d स्क्वायर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज एक्चुअली अ रॉन्ग सम ऑफ d स्क्वायर. सो सी हियर द कैलकुलेशंस. सो r इज इक्वल्स टू 1 minus 6 sum of d square divided by n into bracket of n square minus 1. So r is available 0.2. 1 minus 6 sum of d square we don't have, divided by n is 10, here is 10 square is 100 minus 1. So 0.2 minus 1 is equal to minus 6 sum of d square divided by 990. So here it is 0.8 minus 6 sum of d square divided by 990. Both side negative sign, they have to be cancelled. So 0.8 into 990, changing the side, divided by 6 is equal to sum of d square. So therefore we got it, our sum of d square, and that is 132. 132. So my dear friends, this is the sum of d square where we have done mistake. One difference is taken 3 instead of 2. So first of all we have to find out the correct sum of d square. See the calculation over here. Correct sum of d square. So wrong sum of d square is 132 minus the wrong difference is square. They have taken 3 instead of 2. The 3 is wrong. Then plus 2 square. My dear friends, 3 difference है, डिफरेंस रॉन्ग ले लिया. यहाँ पे लोग d का स्क्वायर कर रहे हैं, इसलिए 3 का स्क्वायर 9 करना पड़ेगा. तो क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे, ये 132 minus 9 plus 4, that is 127. ये आपका करेक्ट सम ऑफ डी स्क्वायर आ गया, बराबर। अभी क्या हुआ, करेक्ट सम ऑफ डी स्क्वायर को लेके सॉल्व करेंगे तो करेक्ट आ जाएगा। लिखते हैं करेक्ट r, आपका फॉर्मूला 1 माइनस 6 sum of d square divided by n into bracket of n square minus 1. So 1 minus 6 into 127 divided by 10 into bracket of 100 minus 1. So 1 minus 6 into 127 and that is 762 and divided by 990. So 1 minus 762 divided by 990, it is 0.77. So our answer is 0.23. This is the correct answer, my dear friends. This kind of examples are very important in your annual exam because they are asking in short questions in the weightage of 2 marks. My dear friends, exercise 2.3 is homework for you, and now we have to move on the different kind of questions. Illustration number 32, which is available on the page number 105, and according to me you have to tick mark the question number illustration 32 as a most important question for you. See the logic over there. To know the relation between the ability in two different subjects for the students, a sample of 7 students is taken from a school. Sample size is available, my dear friends. Right now n is equal to 7. Then from the information of marks in two subjects for 7 students, it is known that the sum of the square of differences, the ranks of these marks is 25.5. Sum of square of differences of ranks, it is called sum of d square, which is available 25.5. Then it is also known that two students got equal marks. Two students got equal marks in one subject and all the remaining marks are different. Find the rank correlations. My dear friends, they have given two students are having equal marks. It shows there is a tie situation. And if there is a tie situation, means what? We have to calculate correction factor. So see here, correction factor, and we have a formula m cube minus m divided by 12. They have given a tie between two students, so the amount of n is 2. Here's 2 cube minus 2 divided by 12. So 8 minus 2 divided by 12, so it is 6 by 12. Our answer is 0.5. Okay, without making a table, because of they have given a tie between only two students. If they have given more than one tie, so we have to make a table. Okay, so CF we have now the formula r is equals to 1 minus 6 sum of d square plus CF divided by n into bracket of n square minus 1. So 1 minus 6 into 25.5 plus 0.5 divided by 7 and 49 minus 1. So 1 minus 6 into 26 divided by 336. So 1 minus 26 into 6, it is 156 divided by 336. So 1 minus 0.54. Sorry, 46 is your answer. So here is 0.54 is the correct answer. R is equals to 0.54. Okay, my dear friends, I would like to move on the section D. There is a question number 12. I would read for you. The information obtained on the basis of ranks given by two judges to 8 contestants of a dance competition is given below. My dear friends, they have given this thing, sum of into bracket rx minus ry square is equals to 126, and they have given there are 8 students. My dear friends, they have given a different way of present. Rx minus Ry means what? It is called D. So sum of D, it's a square. So sum of D square is available 126 and n is equal to 8. Now it seems very easy. So now our formula R is equal to 1 minus 6 sum of D square divided by n into bracket of n square minus 1. So 1 minus 6 into 126 divided by 8 into bracket 64 minus 1. So 1 minus 126 into 6, it is I think 756 divided by 504. So 1 minus 756 divided by 504, it is 1.5. Okay, my dear friends, I think in this method of Spearman's rank correlations, only one formula we have. It is R is equal to 1 minus 6 sum of d square divided by n into bracket of n square minus 1. Sometimes, if there is a tie situations, we have to use CF as a correction factor in the formula, but the method is very easy because of we have to assign only ranks and find out differences. Thank you very much. See you.